explain a little bit, we go to the innovation process. I'm explaining a little bit about the innovation spiral and the vision from BioRural, but very briefly. So we have two results like this deliverable on the assessment of success stories. Eight success stories we have analyzed in BioRural. Two of them today from Portugal and Spain are presenting their process. And the methodology was based on the innovation spiral. So this from an initial idea to get inspired how to do it, to plan, develop, realize, and then to grow, disseminate, and embed. The interesting issue that we are learning also is that those rural innovators that adopt innovation, this process, they don't stop. Once they do, they realize they can do it with other byproducts, with other services, and they keep starting the new spiral for a new process, which is really interesting. Some findings is that that the things that work is because they are based on regional needs and opportunities. There is an evident connection of success with fostering collaborations. Collaborate is really important in small, medium scale and rural areas. You will see also later other results from other surveys that say something very similar. There must be a balance between traditional and innovative attempts. It's not only about innovation in universities or technology centers and try to bring. So this collaboration enables traditional knowledge to customize the solutions. This is really important. Some of the learnings. Then another deliverable is about a large survey that we carried out with more than 400 users and 46 experts in rural zones for medium size or small farmers, breeders, foresters, cooperatives, agribusiness. Something that is evident and we got is it is evident that the adoption of innovations in rural bioeconomy is affected by social demographic aspects as well as the type of company. So on the left, we see maybe something more rural, small scale, medium scale. On the right side, we see something more like large urban scale and with more connections to R&D, with more investors, with more connections. And the issue is that for innovation, micro small companies, they don't have R&D departments, they have less vision, they are less connected to R&D and facilitators. They are more used to accompaniment, to consultants, to see what the other is doing. And also the capacity of leverage investment is smaller. So there is lower tendency to adopt by the smaller, more remote, with lower educational level. And there is a need for collaboration when we are talking about innovate in small scale rural areas on circularity. So this is something that we got is evident. We asked what is the most important due to adopt something, and it was not subsidies, it was not financing, it was practical issues, economic benefit, improved product, demand consumption that is ensured, easily applicable. When we go to small, medium scale, and the solutions provided there by the applicants to the EU challenge are orientated to small and medium scale. So one message from BioRural is, it's important you don't develop your own. You have to get in contact with the locals. Otherwise, you don't expect to develop something and then go in the market, and you will see what experts are saying about that. So finally, it is crucial to advise, support, and training to farmers. The more trained, the more eager to adopt innovations for circular bioeconomy to proceed also in rural areas. The process of innovation is more bottom up, is more close, is not typical R&D projects, so it doesn't work. And the innovation should concentrate on practical aspects, not in very long-term future potential benefits. And connection with adapters. Please, you can see the recommendations also in this deliverable for the policy recommendations for new innovation programs.